Smart lock installation tutorial. Front lock, rear lock, lock body, lock cylinder fixing screws, screw tubes, keys, square rods, bamboo screws, phenol, 5 batteries, IC card. Adjust the direction of the front handle according to needs. The direction of the door opening in the video is right, with the handle facing right. Adjust the direction of the rear handle according to needs. Unscrew the handle fixing screw. Pull out the handle and open the door to the right. The direction of the handle is facing left before opening the door. Tighten the fixing screws. The adjustment is completed when the handle rebounds. After adjustment, all handles should face outward. Left unlock out facing the triangle symbol on the bottom plate. Right unlock out facing the triangle symbol on the bottom plate. Install the front lock screw tool. Tighten with pliers. Remove and lock the battery cover. Install the lock body. Tighten the screws that secure the lock body. Installing lock cylinder. Tighten the fixing screws. Measure the length of the bamboo joint screw to not exceed the outdoor door edge. Mark and cut off excess parts. Cut bamboo screws with pliers. Measure the length of the tail ruler to not exceed the outdoor door edge. Mark and cut off excess parts. Cut bamboo screws with pliers. Insert the square rod into the front lock handle hole. Before installing the lock, be sure to thread the data cable through the door hole to avoid crushing the cable. Align the square rod hole of the lock body and fasten it. Cut off the excessively long square shaft by projecting the square rod 20-30 outside the door panel. Connect the power cord of the front and rear locks together. Range the power cord and insert it into the door gap. Align the square rod and fasten it. Try opening the lock body with the key to see if the lock tank can be used normally. Tighten the rear lock fixing screw. Do not tighten it too tightly for now and adjust it later. Adjust the front and rear locks. Check if the lock cylinder hole is in the middle. Tighten the screws. Install for now 5 batteries. Long press for 5 seconds and press hash to restore production settings. Close the battery cover. Installation completed. Fingerprint unlocking. IC card unlocking. Password unlocking.